It's LPS Kitty 202, known as Kayla. Ashley did the volcano thing, and she's putting more.
It looks like water.
I wanted to record,
taste it?
but it didn't let me. So
That's what I saw. Is it
hurry, Ashley! It's coming. It's getting out. Man, I won't have enough.
You know what? I'm just gonna dump this. Okay.
Let's see it sprout.
And more vinegar.
Why don't you get this vinegar?
I don't see it erupting.
Ashley, put more vinegar. Put more vinegar. I think that'd be best.
Put a lot of vinegar.
Put more. You need to put more,
I'm just
Ashley.
gonna do this. Okay, yeah. Keep going, darling.
Put it in until it gets a little bit higher. Now put this in it.
No.
Yeah.
I read.
Ashley's trying to make her volcano explode.
It's not working. It's deactivating, Mom. You need more vinegar. Use as much as you need.
Use a lot.
Come on.
Work. It was working
How
earlier.
hot does a volcano get?
Really hot.
1,000 hot.
You know what?
Hotter than ever.
Work. It did work. Before.
Okay.
Put more vinegar.
Just pour it. Just pour the
Okay.
vinegar on the
Now.
side.
You know what we need to do?
Well, guys,
How hot?
I'm gonna show you my bird. Guys, this is where my bird is. Is she okay? Is she in here? I think I need to put like a light on. You in here? Gloria. I don't see her. Gloria? Are you in your hut? Oh, she's taking a little bath. See? Hi, Gloria. I found her like over there, and she was like wiggling, and I'm like, what is that? And it was her. Well, I think it's a girl, but I named her Gloria. She's taking a little bath. Look at her, and I gave her like a blanket. Where is it? It's right there, and a sock in there to keep her warm and safe and security. And I know her wing was like a little bit bent, and I'm like, oh, is she hurt? And yeah, her mouth is really big, and yeah, I didn't quite touch her. All I did is only grab her, but she seems like a really nice bird. Well, she looks like one. How you doing? Well, you doing okay, Gloria? Doing okay? Oh, I hope you are. I really do hope. So, yeah. She's my little ally. She's my ally, huh? Huh, Gloria? You're my friend. So, I'll let you go back to what you were doing. So, okay. Bye-bye, Gloria. Well, that is all for this episode. I hope you enjoy, and bye!